Hey everyone, welcome back to Trippin'. When you think of Las Vegas, you probably picture the dazzling casinos, wild nightlife, and big-name shows. But did you know that Sin City has some incredible hidden gems that most visitors completely miss? From secret speakeasies to stunning outdoor escapes, today we're diving into 10 must-visit hidden spots in Las Vegas that you won't find on your typical travel guide. Let's go! First up, we have a Vegas history lover's dream, the Neon Boneyard at the Neon Museum. This is where iconic neon signs from old casinos and hotels go to retire, creating a glowing graveyard of vintage Vegas. At night, some of these signs light up again, giving visitors a nostalgic look into the city's past. If you want that perfect Instagram shot, this is the place to be. Just 25 minutes south of Vegas, in the middle of the desert, you'll find a massive, colorful art installation called 7 Magic Mountains. These towering, rainbow-colored boulders were designed by artist Ugo Rondinone and have become a must-visit for art lovers and photographers. It's surreal, it's vibrant, and it's totally different from anything else in Vegas. Tired of losing money in casinos? Try your luck at the Pinball Hall of Fame. This place is packed with over 200 vintage pinball machines dating back to the 1950s. The best part? It's super affordable. For just a few quarters, you can play classic arcade games and relive the golden age of pinball. Perfect for families, retro gamers, or anyone looking for a fun, budget-friendly experience. Now, this one is a real hidden gem. Beneath the Mob Museum lies a secret speakeasy that takes you back to the Prohibition era. Here, you'll find craft cocktails inspired by the 1920s, along with mob history and old-school vibes. Want to feel like a true VIP? Find out the secret password online and give it to the doorman for an exclusive experience. If you love late-night eats, this one's for you. Hidden down an unmarked hallway inside the Cosmopolitan, you'll find Secret Pizza, a tiny, no-frills pizza joint serving up some of the best New York-style slices in Vegas. There's no sign, no menu outside. Just follow your nose and the smell of fresh pizza, and you'll find it. Locals swear by this place, and once you try it, you'll understand why. While you're at the Cosmopolitan, head to the Chandelier bar for a drink that's straight up mind-blowing. It's called the Verbena Cocktail, and it's not even on the menu. Here's the trick. Ask the bartender for a verbena. It comes with a tiny Szechuan flower that numbs your mouth and enhances the flavors of the drink. It's a crazy, one-of-a-kind experience that you won't find anywhere else. Looking for something completely off the beaten path? Drive 45 minutes outside Vegas and you'll find Nelson, Nevada, an abandoned ghost town that looks straight out of an old Western movie. This place has rusted-out cars, vintage gas stations, and even an old airplane wreck. If you love exploring hidden spots or taking unique photos, this is a must-visit. This next hidden gem is seriously wild. It's called Omega Mart, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. At first, it looks like a regular grocery store. But look closer, and you'll find hidden doors, secret tunnels, and mind-bending art exhibits. It's an interactive experience where nothing is what it seems. Want to feel like you're in a sci-fi movie? You can't miss this. Next, we're stepping into old-school Vegas charm with the Peppermill Lounge. This legendary spot has been around since the 1970s, featuring neon lights, cozy booths, and a fire pit right in the middle of the lounge. It's been featured in tons of movies and TV shows, and their oversized cocktails and hearty diner food make it a must-visit. If you want to experience classic Vegas without the crowds, the Peppermill is the place to be. Finally, if you need a break from the bright lights and casinos, head to Red Rock Canyon. Just 30 minutes from the Strip, this stunning desert landscape has hidden caves, scenic trails, and breathtaking views. If you're into hiking, rock climbing, or just want a peaceful escape, this is the perfect spot. And there you have it, 10 hidden gems in Las Vegas that go way beyond the casinos and nightclubs. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome travel content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.